Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find screen time. And as you can see, we will be directly transferred to those graphs which will show for how long we've been using this particular device today, and I've been using it for over the hour and a half. And here you've got it divided between particular hours. You can check which apps were used more frequently and how many times you've unlocked your device. You can also change it to the week graph so you can see how it looked. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.